You have thunderstorm warning.
The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Carroll County, Fountain County, Tippecanoe County, Western Clinton County, Park County, Northwestern Boone County, Warren County, Vermilion County, Montgomery County, Northwestern Putnam County, until midnight Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:21 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles south of Rensselaer to near Rossville to near Arcola to near Sullivan, moving southeast at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lafayette, Frankfort, Crawfordsville, West Lafayette, Greencastle, Clinton, Delphi, Covington, Rockville, Petersburg, Williamsport, Newport, Attica, Flora, Rossville, Shetland, Thorntown, Dayton, Fairview Park, and Battleground. This includes the following highways: Interstate 65 between mile markers 153 and 184. Interstate 74 between mile markers 1 and 47. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until midnight Eastern Daylight Time Tuesday for the following counties in Indiana: Boone, Carroll, Clinton, Fountain, Montgomery, Park, Putnam, Tippecanoe,